Rahmatullah. Today we have a question: why some piece the gold have it like 200 dirham and same thing silver it is more 200? Okay, so I have this question: this piece to this piece, it is for traded or it is will be your unique? This mean special for you only, because when see these items, if you have it answer for this question, then you will understand why some piece have it to high weight, high account. Okay, I have two sample here. Okay, it is gold items. We tried it for this one piece. See, when you see this items, it is gold 18K. I try to clear. Okay, how many thickness you think for these items? Okay, I have it here. This we will try to see the thickness. How many thickness? 13. Okay, so when have it like this thickness for gold 18K, this not will be more items 200 or 150, 250. Okay, and here have it for silver. If you check it, the silver, how many thickness? Okay, put 0. So here 40, 0.47. So here we will understand it is have a thickness, have it weight, have it good quality, and also we can give it to you guarantee. Okay, but here by hand you can broking, no needed any tools for broking. But this gold 18K, it is silver. How it is gold? Because it is gold plated. We have chance make it silver metal and gold plated, guarantee for gold 1 year not remove. Okay, thank you so much about you. See you my video.